Good afternoon, traders. Hopefully, everyone is having a good day. All three market indices down today. Now, before we get into the show, I really do want to thank all my subscribers. I really do appreciate you guys tuning in and watching. All right, with that said, let's get into the one stock that we've been highlighting all week, Sorrento Pharmaceuticals, SRNE. All right, so SRNE did gap down today, but it closed above this 50-day moving average and near the high of the day. So for Monday, make sure, let's hope that we can take out today's high on Monday, and then we would target this value area high for our next level of resistance. If we see the stock going lower, we can see the gap being filled first for some support, and then obviously all the way down here at that 10 SMA. I don't think we're going to get down that far, but you never know. All right, SRNE, stay long if you're in it, and watch for that takeout of today's high on Monday. Next stock that we are going to highlight is the first stock that on our list that we do own is AQST. AQST had a really nice day today, considering the market conditions. It did, gap up a little bit, shook out a few people. Obviously, held the 10 SMA down here, clearly way above this value area high. Love the way it closed near the high of the day. I believe on Monday we'll take that near-term high of that 945 area, and then finally start making the new 52 weeks in the next upcoming week. AQST, long since $6.45. Next stock on our list is a VUZI. VUZI also had a nice day. It did gap up, come down, came down, try to look like it was going to go all the way down to this value area high, that 10 SMA, ton of support down there, but it never got down there. It reversed course, closed near the high of the day, and looking really, really good going into Monday. It is, it's probably the second or third highest close of the stock of this year. So I really do think we are going to challenge this $5.10 52-week high. So if you are long the name, stay long, and I think we'll get rewarded in the next week or two. Next stock that we do own is STNG. Did not perform as well as I'd hoped, but if you remember from what I said yesterday on STNG, watch that inflection point where the 10 crossed the 50, ton of support right there. In fact, 1278 was the low of the day, bounced off that 50-day moving average right there, and now I'm hoping on Monday to go higher, right? Obviously, but watch for that first 30-minute candle. Let's get above the point of control on that daily right here, get above today's high on Monday, and I think we should start making inroads into that $14 range again. Okay, STNG, long since $13. Next stock on our list, XERS. Very, very great, very good day for us today, up over 10%. Been long since $4. I'm sorry, $4.95. That is correct. So today obviously had a little bit of news on sales of their product not going as well, but the market didn't care. Buyers stepped right in and took this higher. We're up on this upper Bollinger Band. The one thing I do like about this stock, not many shares being traded above this area, so there's going to be very little resistance. This stock looks like it wants to go a lot higher. I really think we're going into that $7 range pretty quickly on Monday, Tuesday of next week. Okay, long XERX. Next stock that we own, OVID, unchanged today. Did peak above that value area high in that daily right there, and then it failed, closed below this 50. So on Monday, I am going to target this today's low as my out. It starts getting below 657, 655 on Monday. I will be out of my position. I am long since 586. Next stock I did sell today was AQUA. AQUA. Let's bring this up on that 30-minute chart, and I'll show you what happened. All right, let's bring it up. 30-minute chart looked great early on, gapped up, sold off, didn't like this candle, tried to fight back towards the high, of the day, went all the way up to 2088, but failed. Obviously started getting below that, that first 30-minute candle, and that's when I bailed on the stock. It did close right here at the point of control, so, maybe I could have held on, but to me, I thought my money could have been used better in other places. Out of AQUA. All right, so next stock. One stock that I did recommend yesterday and I did buy was SPPI. SPPI. So let's bring this up on the intraday chart right here. Here we go. So first 30-minute candle right there, did that. And then as soon as it took out this second 30-minute candle, it held that first 30-minute candle. I was like, okay, I'll get long at 486. If it goes below that, that first 30-minute candle, I will be out. Okay, so, but it held on pretty good. It did sell off near the end of the day. That's okay. I really like the fact that we're by this point of control and this value area high right here. I'm going to bring this up on the daily real quickly, and I want to show you this is setting up very similar to XCRS. Not many shares in this area right here. I could see very little resistance, so this can probably run at least another 20 to 30% before stopping. Okay, that is SPPI long. Second stock that I did sell today was MX. MX underperformed pretty, below my expectations today. Let's bring it up here on that first 30-minute candle. It did obviously, made that poor high. As soon as it took out that second 30-minute candle on the downside, it was already below this 20 intraday period SMA right here, so I just bailed. I didn't like it too much. So I'm gonna, again, I think longer term, I do like the company, I do like the stock. I'll probably revisit this at some point, but right now I am out the stock of MX. Second stock that I held on to today was SPCE. SPCE. Again, this stock did, first 30-minute candle, and clearly it went below that near the middle of the day, but it did not take the yesterday's low out, so I held on. It is above this 20-period SMA. Let's wait till Monday. Let's see what happens. Hopefully we could gain some, start gaining a little bit of momentum on this stock. But again, on Monday, if this stock starts getting below today's low on Monday, I will be out the name SPCE. All right, next stock I did get into that I did mention on yesterday, on Thursday, was MOS, Mosaic. First 30-minute candle. Saw that it did take that out. The second 30-minute candle, I did get long 1976 right here. I am still long. I do like the way it closed. It's right here by this point of control right here, real close to this value area high. If you bring this up on that daily chart with the same, with the same charting tools right here, you can see the value area high is all the way up here at 2192, and there's very, very little shares up there. We get up above that, this stock is going to $25, $26, $27 pretty quickly. All right, long MOS. All right, so what I want to do now is I want to go over the stocks that I had recommended on Sunday. Okay, so the first stock that we had recommended on Sunday was Crocs, CROX. I'm going to bring this up on a weekly chart so we can see better how this performed for the week. All right, so if you look at CROX, I did recommend it on Sunday to buy on Monday and see how the whole week would hold up. So if you got in it, it opened up at 43.45. It did close at 41.77. So we were down about $2 or a little under $2 for the week on that stock. Next stock that I did recommend was WVE. WVE on Sunday, and look at this monster. It opened up at 13.85 and it closed at 19.54, guys. That's almost 50% in 1 week. All right, that was a big winner. Next stock that I had recommended on Sunday was VXRT. VXRT. Give me 1 second on that one. VXRT. Here we go. All right, here another big winner on VXRT. Opened at 6.38, closed at 8.22. That is about 33% gain in 1 week. All right, guys, those were my 3 picks for the week. I'm going to do the same thing on Sunday. I'm going to release 3 picks going into Monday that I think are going to move for the whole week. All right, guys. Again, I want to thank all my subscribers. I really do appreciate you guys tuning in and watching. And if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so. I would really appreciate it. All right, everyone. Have a great weekend. Be safe and trade smart.